Thank you and welcome. In this video, I want to show you how you can look for a government job to work with the government of Federated States of Micronesia. The first thing is go to the government website. So let's do that. Okay, here we have the FSM Department of Health and Social Services. So I am using this example to talk to health professionals who may be considering looking for jobs to work with the FSM government. So let's go in. This is the official FSM government, FSM Health Department website. To look for vacancies, you go straight to where it says public info. And if you scroll down, you can see a tab here that says job vacancies. Let's go in there. Once in there, you can see a list of job vacancies. You have EHR health analyst down to financial specialist. There is a vacancy for an epidemiologist and a psychiatrist. And these are the vacancies that are available at the moment. Sometimes the positions are not filled and the vacancies will be there until the position is filled. And if you click on each of the links, you will see that the vacancy announcement can go back a few years. So don't let that discourage you. You can still send your inquiries and find out if they are still offering that job. I will use an example to see how it looks like. So let's say if I click on the lab manager position, and you can see here, this is the vacancy announcement for the lab manager position. Okay, if I zoom in on the document, it shows the position description, and most importantly, many would like to know how much the position pays. And you can see the salary range in US dollars. It's between 18,000 and 30,000 US dollars per annum. Convert that to PNG Kina and have an idea of how much you would be making if you're successful. So in this case, you'd be looking at between 60,000 to 90,000 Kina at current PNG US dollar exchange rate. And at the bottom, there are email addresses for you to send your inquiry and apply. Okay, that's the position vacancy announcement with job descriptions. Okay, I will take you back to how you can fill out the application form. Let's go back. And if I scroll down, you can see there's a link here which says application form. So click on that and it will give you a form like this. This is the application form which you would need to complete and send to that email address which was shown on the job description and vacancy announcement form. Let's look at this form. The first section is ID details. So you complete your ID details in there. On section 5, you can see it says social security number. If you're applying from PNG, you can leave it blank. Let's move down and starting from let's say number 29. Number 29 is where you give your educational background. Now to number 30. There's a section where you would need to put in your annual salary that you had from your previous job. This is where you complete your previous employment history and then you put in your annual income minimum range and maximum range. And right at the bottom there is where you can sign and send your application. So that's it. That's about it. So going back to the website once more, come to the FSM Department of Health and Social Services, go down to public info, go to job vacancies, see the positions, see the position description, get the application form and send in your request. So if you want to come out and work in the islands, for example, in the Federated States of Micronesia, why not send your expression of interest, spend a year or two, experience a different culture, different lifestyle, and then you can return back home to PNG with that enriched experience.